Good. So change the first part and make those corrections and your paper will be great.
Okay. Thanks for all your help, Professor Morgan. I'll email my paper to you later today.
You know, technology is amazing. In high school, I used to write my term papers on a typewriter.
It must have taken a long time to write a paper on a typewriter.
Well, I was pretty fast, but I made some mistakes. Actually, the typewriters weren't that bad. Now, as for the first computers, oh my gosh.
What do you mean?
The first computers were so unreliable. They used to crash all the time. And they were not as affordable or as fast as they are now.
Mine's pretty fast, but not as fast as some of the newer, more expensive ones.
I know. And nowadays, almost everyone has a computer. In those days, nobody had their own computer. We used to use the ones at the university.
In the computer lab?
Yeah, that's all we had. I'll never forget, one spring, during final exams, everybody was working on their term papers, and the electricity went out.
So, no big deal. Laptops have batteries.
Yes, but remember, in those days, we didn't have laptops. If your computer crashed, you lost everything.
Everything?
Everything. We used to lose information all the time. But that time, it was terrible. Everybody lost their papers that afternoon, including me.
What did you do?
I went back to the good old-fashioned way.
You mean typewriters?
Nope. I used something more affordable, portable, reliable, disposable, something that always worked.
What was that?
The first word processor.